Hello, my dear students. It's Samir Mridul. Today I will start MCQ based top 30 question related to economics, chapter 1 development. It is very important to CBSE board examination 2024 to 25. So now I will start questions. The first question is development of country can be generally be determined by its. Question is development of country can be generally determined by its per capita income, average literacy level, health status of its people, none of these. Answer will be per capita income. Per capita income. Okay. Next question. Different person could have different as level as conflicting notion of a country's development. A fair and just path of the all should be achieved. Interpret the concept being discussed here. Again, different person could have different as well as conflicting notion of a country's development. A fair and just path for the all should be achieved. Interpret the concept being discussed here. A. Social development. B. Cultural development. C. National development. E. D. Economic development. Answer will be national development. Question number third. Countries with higher income are than other with less income. A. Less developed. B. More developed. C. Less stronger. D. More organized. Answer will be B. More developed. Question number 4. Total income of a country divided by its total population is known as A. Capital income. B. National income. C. Per capita income. D. GDP. Answer will be option number C. Per capita income. Question number 5th. Proportion of literate population in the 7th and the above age of group is called knowledge rate, literacy rate, attendance rate, excellence rate. Answer will be literacy rate. Question number 6. Which age group of children is included for the calculating net attendance ratio? A. 6 to 10, B. 7 to 11, C. 5 to 9, D. 14 to 15. Answer will be option number D. 14 to 15. Question number 7. For calculating the body mass index BMI, weight of the person is divided by A. A square of the weight, B. A square of the height, C. A square of root of the height, D. A square of the sum of the height and weight. Option number B. A square of the height. Question number 8. If BMI is less than 18.5, then the person would be considered A. Overweight, B. Long height, C. Undernourished, D. Short height. Option number C. Undernourished. Question number 9. What proportion of the country is overusing their groundwater reserve? A. 1/4, B. 1/10, C 1/3, D half. Option number C 1/3. Question number 10. Resources which will get exhausted after years of use are: A. Renewable resources, B. Non-durable resources, C. Non-renewable resources, D. Competing resources. Option number C. Non-renewable resources. Question number 11. What will be the top priority in the development goal of landless laborer? Expansion of laborer. Option number A. Expansion of rural banking. B. More days of work and better wages. C. Metal roads for transportation. D. Establishment of the high school of a high school. Answer will be option number B. More days of work and better wages. Question number 12. What will be the aspiration of an educated urban in unemployed youth? Option number A. An educated urban unemployed youth will be aspire for the better opportunity in the agriculture. Option number B. Support for government at every step in life for his upward movement. Option number C. An urban educated unemployed will aspire for the good job opportunities where his education can be made use of. Option number D. Better facilities of the recreation of his leisure time. Answer will be option number C. An urban educated unemployed will be aspired for the good job opportunity where his education can be made use of. Question number 13. Pick out the corrected meaning listed below the defined average income. A. Average income of the country means the total income of the country. B. The average income in the country is the income of only employed people. C. The average income is the same as per capita income. D. The average income includes the value of property held. Answer will be option number C. The average income is the same as per capita income. Question number 14. Which countries can be considered as a developed country in the modern world? A. Country which have accumulated huge amount of wealth and always secure the future of their citizens. These countries are considered to be developed. Option number B. Countries which are among the highest in the Human Development Index are considered to be the developed country. Option number C. Only rich countries are considered to be developed because people have money to buy everything needed for human being, both material and non-material. Option number D. Iran is a rich country and therefore it is a developed country. What will be the right answer? Answer will be option number B. Countries which are among the highest in the Human Development Index are considered to be developed countries. Learn about this topic. Question number 15. Money can't buy all the goods and services that we may need to have a good life. A list of things required for a good life is given below. Which among the following are things money can't buy? A. Option number 1. Full protection from the infectious disease. Option number 2. High quality of education. Option number 3. A luxury home. Option number 4. A pollution free atmosphere in every part of the country. Answer will be option number D. 1 and 4th is true. 1. Full protection from the infectious disease, and option number 4. Population freed atmosphere in every part of the country. It can't buy. This can't buy. Question number 16. HDI stand for Human Development Index that focus on fill in the blanks with the one following: life expectancy, A, B, gross enrollment ratio for three level of the schooling, C, national income, D, all of the above. Answer will be all of the above. Question number 17. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate. What could be the reason? Find the correct answer from the following. Kerala has a low infant mortality rate because all the girls are trained at the primary level, a schooling to look after a newborn child. Because most of the girls are nurse in Kerala. C, because Kerala has very high female literacy rate and adequate health facilities are available for the both mother and children. D, Kerala's good climate condition helps infant survive. Answer will be option number B, because most of the girls are nurses. Nurses. Question number 18. What would be the most promising sources of the energy 50 years from now and why? A. Petroleum energy because it is obtained from the fossil fuels. Solar energy because it is not exhaustible. C. Coal based energy because it is pollution free. D. Forest product based energy because India has abundant forest. Option number B. Solar energy because it is not exhaustible. Question number 19. Pick out the cause from below the enhance environment degradation. A. Planting of trees. B. Prevention of the factory wastage getting mixed up with the river water. C. Ban on use of the plastic bags. D. Allowing increase in the level of exhaust fumes emitted by cars, buses, trucks, etc. Answer will be option number D. Question number 20. Dot dot is a comprehensive term which include increase the real per capita income, improvement in the living standard of the people, reduction in the poverty, literacy, crime rate, etc. Fill in the blanks. Answer will be development. Question number 21. Dot dot indicates the number of years a newborn is expected to live. Answer will be life expectancy at birth. Life expectancy at birth indicates the number of years a newborn is expected to live. Question number 22. The development that should take place without damaging the environment and development in the present should not compromise with the needs of the future generation is known as. Answer will be सस्टेनेबल इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट डेवलपमेंट Question number 23. Dot dot means sustained increase in the real per capita income that promotes economic welfare by reduction poverty, unemployment and inequalities of distribution of income. Answer will be economic development. Economic development. Question number 24. The two important aspects of our lives other than income are dot dot and dot dot. Answer will be equal treatment, and second option, freedom. Question number 25. Dot dot ensures availability of the essential commodities like wheat, rice, sugar, edible oils and kerosene etc. to consumer through a network of outlets or fair price shops. Answer will be PDS, means public distribution system. Question number 26. The two development goals of landless rural level are dot dot and dot dot. Answer will be more days of work, and second option, better wages. Question number 29. According to the recent World Development Report, countries which had per capita income of US dollar 12,236 per annum are rich countries. Answer will be true. Question number 30. Kerala has low infant mortality rate. Answer will be true. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज 30 क्वेश्चन का मैंने MCQ अभी कंप्लीट करवाया. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर का 30 क्वेश्चन और मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आऊँगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. थैंक यू.